Hello guys, in this video we will talk about Hostinger Horizons versus Lovable and help you decide which one is better in 2025. So first, let's briefly define each other. So Hostinger Horizons is Hostinger's higher tier hosting plan offering advanced features. Meanwhile, Lovable is another plan or product from Hostinger which assumes Lovable targets entry-level users with simplified tools, while Horizons aims at power users with scalability. So next, we will compare their features. Horizons typically includes higher CPU or RAM resources, priority support, and staging environments. In contrast, Lovable may provide basic hosting resources, simpler site builders, and limited storage. Thus, if your website needs more performance, Horizons likely fits you. Yet for a small blog or portfolio, Lovable could suffice without extra cost. After that, we will examine their pricing. So Horizon comes at a higher monthly or annual fee due to its advanced specs, while Lovable's pricing is lower, making it budget-friendly for beginners. Consequently, weigh your budget versus resource needs. Moreover, we will consider performance and scalability. With Horizons, you can get faster servers, maybe CDN integration, and easier upgrades, while in Lovable may have basic performance suitable for low traffic sites, but might require upgrading sooner. So if you anticipate growth, start with Horizons might save migration hassles. Additionally, we will look at support and management tools. Horizon users often get priority or 24/7 live chat, staging sites, and developer tools. Lovable plans might offer standard support and fewer developed features. Therefore, if you or your team need advanced dev workflows, Horizon is preferable. Furthermore, we will think about the use case. For small personal site versus business critical application. For business websites needing uptime and speed, Horizon is better. For hobby projects or simple landing pages, Lovable is adequate. So in summary, choose Lovable if you want a low-cost, easy-to-manage plan for a simple site. Choose Horizons if you need higher performance, advanced tools, and future scalability. So you can just check the latest hosting or plan and details and promotions before finalizing. And that's it. If this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials, reviews, and comparison videos. Thank you for watching.